Hello, welcome again. Now, I've just finished Unit 312, or in some cases, for some of you, it will be 612. Now, and I have uploaded that. Now, be aware that you need to gather information for yourselves, and you need to also do a write-up in respect of the questions asked. But hopefully I've given you an idea as to how those questions can be sorted out. Okay. I'm going to move to Unit 313, and for some of you it will be 613. Okay. Now be aware also that wherever possible you should put your name on your work and to make that work your own. Some of you may also be working with photovoltaic cells, solar panels. Take photographs of yourselves at work. Make sure that you allow your associate to take photographs of you doing and installing wherever possible these items, because they will form part of your portfolio as well in regards to your NVQ. Now, still find it a little bit funny, well, not funny, haha, but a little bit peculiar that some of the students who is doing apprenticeships should have to wait 4 years before they can commence their NVQ folder. Now, it is a requirement that you need to have an NVQ folder completed before you become a qualified electrician, to the best of my knowledge, and to the best of my knowledge that requirement has not changed when I last checked. So for leaving your folder till the last minute seems a bit peculiar to me, when your folder work should be running over that 4-year period basically. And look at the requirement and the information, the knowledge you can put into that folder if it's taken over that time. Now I'll stop there, and again, thank you for your time. And just a note, I will be doing some work on 313 and bringing that online, hopefully, again, as videos. So please do convey information to others. I have looked, but I could not find anything similar to what's being done at the moment in regards to your NVQ folders or your work-based learning elements. So please do try to use this information constructively. Okay, I hope you find it useful and helpful. Again, Clement Payne, all the best. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.